Alright, I'm doing an experiment with a pyramid-shaped quartz crystal, and I want to see the effects that it has on water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this plate with the quartz crystal on top of this container. After I fill it with water, I'm going to put it in the freezer, and every couple of hours I'm going to check on it to see how the water is freezing up, to see what the structure of the water looks like to just the naked eye. So this I'm going to take it and put some water from my sink. Make sure it's cold. Alright. Don't put too much, so it's perfect. Alright, make sure it's level. Cool. Alright, now I'm going to put the plate with the quartz crystal on top of it. Make sure it's level. Make sure it's centered. So it's been about 4 hours, and you can see already that their structure is forming at the bottom of the water. They're going up towards the pyramid on top. See, what's interesting to me is the pyramid is not in contact with the water at all. And you can obviously see that it has an influence on the water. So what I'm thinking is, what form of energy is causing the molecules to form in this structure? Get a little closer in there. So in about 8 more hours, I'm going to check on the water again and see what structures form within it. So I'm going to take this out. So I'm going to check on what happened inside. Put this on the table. Alright. So the pyramid's still on top. Just gonna take that off. Let's see. Alright, it's completely frozen. Let me wet it so we can see inside without it fogging. Alright. So you can see in the middle, like egg type of formation formed in the middle with, let me just brush it off, with all these pins or pin structures that formed in the ice going towards it as if it was harnessing energy into a ball. Let's check this out. The ice cracked a little bit around here. Alright. Let's see. Let me wet it one more time so we can look into it easier. Oh, that's a lot better. So much better. Alright. Yeah, so an egg-like structure formed in the middle with strands of ice forming into it. So it was as if the pyramid was harnessing energy within the water below the pyramid without the pyramid actually having contact with the water. Interesting. I'm going to do another experiment with distilled water next, but I'm going to put this one online just so you guys can get a view or a look at it before I release a different type of version of it. Alright, so from what I'm seeing, pyramid on top harnessed some sort of energy which gathered within the water, and I'm assuming even before it froze, this energy was present. It's just the fact that it froze, it was able to hold the structure within it. So it makes you question what form of energy that is, and how does it affect us when we wear such crystals, or if it's even just the shape of the pyramid itself, and it actually allows you to reconsider the Egyptian pyramids or any other pyramidal structure around the world. But let me wet this one more time so you guys can get a better look at it. It just keeps fogging up because the temperature. So this energy is occurring even with that pyramid just sitting right there. This energy is occurring with under it and around it. But the water proved that the water itself proved that it was there.
I don't know, can you explain what liquid light is?
Liquid light is what we refer to as electromagnetic energy. It is a higher vibratory plane of energy, of light beyond your third dimensional vibration of light. It is that which permeates all that is and which manifests itself in your understanding as spirit. We don't know if that makes sense in your language scientifically, but nevertheless, that's what it is. It is the manifestation of spirit as it intersects from higher dimensions to lower ones. It manifests as a form you recognize as liquid light, and the liquid light forms the basis, the foundational, shall we say, substance for the physicalization or crystallization of all lower vibratory dimensional realities. Does that make sense?
No, I kind of got lost. Are you saying it's like it's the connection from us to them? I just kind of lost you.
All right, liquid light, in a sense, would be the first level of what you would recognize as materialization out of the one, as it crystallizes itself and becomes more and more physically manifest. Use the analogy, perhaps, of steam, if you wish, a crude